Today, I am reviewing the Everlywell Food Sensitivity Test. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The whole process started with this neatly packaged at-home collection kit that arrived right at my doorstep. Everything you need is included, no extra trips to the store or anything. The instructions are super clear and straightforward. You do a simple finger prick to collect a small blood sample, which was way easier than I expected. It took me maybe 10 minutes total from start to finish, including filling out the paperwork and prepping the return package. Then I just dropped it in the mail with the prepaid shipping label and waited for the results. No doctor's appointment, no waiting rooms, nothing complicated. It felt empowering to take control of my health from home like that. About 3 to 4 business days after the lab received my sample, my results popped up in a clean, easy-to-understand online dashboard. They break everything down into clear categories with color coding showing low, moderate, or high reactivity for each food. I was surprised by some of the results. For example, I had moderate reactivity to dairy and a couple of grains I was eating almost every day, which lined up perfectly with the bloating and fatigue I'd been experiencing. There were also a few surprises like certain nuts and spices that I never would have suspected. The dashboard even gives you insights on how to use this information, like ideas for an elimination diet and suggestions on what to try removing temporarily to see how your body responds. What I loved most is how actionable the results felt. I started by cutting out my high reactivity foods for a few weeks while keeping everything else normal. Within the first 10 days, I noticed my bloating had decreased dramatically, my energy levels were more stable throughout the day, and those random headaches became much less frequent. It was like my body was finally getting a break from things it was quietly reacting to. I could actually enjoy meals again without that uncomfortable feeling afterward. Reintroducing foods one by one later helped me confirm which ones were true triggers for me personally. The test is designed for adults 18 and older, and it's analyzed in CLIA-certified labs with results reviewed by board-certified physicians, which gave me confidence in the process. It's also HSA and FSA eligible, which is a nice bonus if you're using those accounts. Of course, I made sure to chat with my doctor about the results before making big dietary changes, because this isn't meant to replace professional medical advice. It's more of a helpful starting point to explore potential food sensitivities and support symptom relief. If you're someone who deals with digestive discomfort, unexplained fatigue, headaches, or just wants deeper insights into how your body responds to different foods like gluten, shellfish, dairy, or other common items, this test can be really eye-opening. It's not a food allergy test, which is important to understand, but for sensitivities, it provides interesting data that you can work with. The convenience of doing everything at home combined with fast digital results makes it feel modern and user-friendly. Would I recommend the Everlywell Food Sensitivity Test? Absolutely. Especially if you've been struggling with vague symptoms that might be diet-related and you're looking for concrete clues without the hassle of traditional lab visits. It gave me the personalized information I needed to make smarter food choices and feel noticeably better in my day-to-day life. My only small note is that results can vary person to person, so treat it as one valuable tool in your health toolkit rather than the final word. Pair it with listening to your body and professional guidance for the best outcomes. Overall, this test delivered real value for me and helped me take meaningful steps toward feeling my best. If you're curious about your own food sensitivities, it might just be the helpful push you've been needing to.